Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to the most terrifying sounds of World War II on the Flying Dutchman channel. The original video will be linked in the description if you'd like to watch it without my reaction, but with that being said, let's get going. Oof. I thought my sound wasn't working for a minute because I was like, I can't hear anything. I feel like it's mildly similar to something, but I can't put my finger on what I think it sounds like, what is familiar about it. I feel like this is recognisable for what it is. Oh. Well, it just gives you chills. See, that one I feel like we're so desensitized to because of the use of it in war movies and video games, I suppose, that it's just so that noise is so commonplace now. I mean, obviously then it was a lot different, but for me, hearing it, I'm desensitized to that sound because of how commonplace the use of it is. This is very similar, and it's like oddly familiar. Is that not just a tank? Is that not just a tank? Or is it something different entirely? Oh. Again, that's quite an iconic sound, isn't it? Oh, again, the chills. Like, I'm just thinking how you would feel hearing that noise at night. Especially like if you're a child, you hear that comet flying over. I just like gives me full body chills. Like, that is horrifying. This is going to be the one that... Oh, maybe not. The other one was a bit more like haunting. That's the air raid siren though, isn't it? That in the background. I remember being a child. I must have been in year 4, which would have made me, what, 8 or 9? We went to a touristy attraction thing, but it was like a World War II touristy attraction, and you go into a bunker and they played the air raid siren, and I will never ever forget that sound, like being sat, how loud it was being sat in that bunker and then playing the air raid siren was really chilling. I was so young. It was quite a heavy thing too. I mean, children were in the war experiencing it, but I think I was too young to really comprehend how serious it was. It was more just frightening as a child. I think they took us far too young if we'd gone in maybe secondary school. So I think if they'd done it as like a history school trip in secondary school, I think it would have been a lot easier to comprehend just how serious it was and like really understand it rather than just being scared and frightened. That was very interesting to watch. I definitely think, let me try and find it in this one, I think was definitely the most daunting. That noise just, it's like when they say someone walking over your grave. That sound to me is certainly the most chilling out of all of them. I mean, trying to put myself back into the shoes of somebody living in that time, I would probably say the air raid siren is the most, like, especially like I just said, the story that I just told you, being a child and being put into a bunker and hearing it was horrifying. In that time, I would say the air raid siren would be the most chilling, but sitting here listening, it's certainly that one that was had the most effect on me now. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you would like to see me react to, and I will see you in the next one.